Hi friends, we're going to be doing Pick an Instrument, which is on page 67. Pick an Instrument, which is on page 67. Okay, so the question is, which musical instrument would you like to play? Draw a picture and write why. Okay, so we're not going to be drawing the picture. We are going to be writing. Okay, so if you can't think of a musical instrument, on page 66 they give us three different instruments: a violin, a drum, and a piano. So you could pick one of these three, or if you have your own instrument you're very interested in, you can pick that instrument. So you get to decide what instrument you would like to play. Okay, and remember to always be thinking about your tabletop strategy. And this is just one of the pages you have at the beginning of your opinion packet. Remember the tabletop, you have to say "in my opinion." We have transition words, first, second, last. And then finally it's "these are the reasons I think." So in conclusion, these are the reasons I think. Okay, so look back at those if you need help with that. Okay, so I want you to have either your parents or you to do it, to use a ruler so that you can make your box, your rectangle, into a tabletop. Okay, so you should have a tabletop, 3 sections for your supporting details, and a conclusion. Okay, so this is what I wrote about. Okay, so in my opinion, I would like to play the piano. Okay, so first I can use both hands when I am playing. One hand plays the high notes and the other plays the low notes. Second, I can learn how to read music, which will help me play other instruments. And third, there are pianos all over to play beautiful music like in a church or school. In conclusion, these are the reasons why I would like to play the piano. Okay? All right. Now, as we go through reading this, I'm going to highlight some things I'm going to be looking for. The first and really important thing is when we're writing a paragraph, we have to indent our paragraph. That means you're going to take like 2 or 3 fingers to indent. So indent your paragraph. It has to be separate from this is called a margin. The margins are on this left side. So your indent goes farther in, and these are the margins. I'm going to be looking to see if you have your words lined up with the margin on the second line. If it's hard for you, go ahead and draw like a pink line or something to see if you can always make it over to that pink line. Okay? Alright, so the other thing I'm going to look for is capital letters. Okay, so in my opinion, comma. So this is really a transition, it's a phrase. So I'm going to look for that. I'm going to look for if you have capital I, because I is always capital. In my opinion, I would like to play the piano. I'm looking for periods. I'm looking for capital letters and comma. Here's another transition word. First, I can use both hands when I am playing. One hand plays the high notes and the other plays the low notes. Second, comma, I can learn how to read music. Oops, sorry, that's not a period. I can learn how to read music, which will help me play other. Now, if you run out of room, which you might well do, and that's okay. I put a whole bunch of, or at least 2 different ones, or 3 I think, in each of your folder, your stuff you brought home this last week. So this is some more of that paper. Okay, so write page 67 at the top so I know which page this goes to when you submit it to Dojo. Okay, so I said, second, I can learn how to read music, which will help me play other instruments. Third, transition word, comma, there are pianos all over to play beautiful music like in a church or school. In conclusion, comma, these are the reasons. Now I'm going to look for this, that you're restating your main idea. These are the reasons why I would like to play the piano. Okay? All right. So now you know what to do, and have fun with this, because this is your opinion and it's something that you would like to try to do. Okay, kiss your brain.